Hello guys, today I have an amazing tutorial for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a school management system. Okay, I've made about 3 videos on how to make a school management system on YouTube. This is a new one and this is something different. In fact, this video, I don't know how to describe it. Okay, I'm going to give you all the details that you need to know. Okay, this is a new plugin that I'm going to introduce to you, and it's the best. I like it, I love it, and I know you also love it. Okay, let's go to the screen. Okay, so we are going to continue from here. You see, this is not a complete website. This is just a landing page where teachers and students can access their dashboard. This is very simple, but if you want to create a complete website and integrate this, it's very easy and very simple. Later, maybe I will make video on how to do that, but I just want to show you how to use this amazing plugin. Okay, I love this plugin, and as I said earlier, you love it too. Okay, so I'm going to log in as a teacher so that you see my dashboard, how it looks like. Okay, after that, then I will also show you the student dashboard. Okay, so let me click here, start login. Okay, so I'll click login, and as you can see, this is my dashboard. Okay, yes, this is teacher's dashboard and it looks amazing. Okay, yes, I can go here, student, just to check student. This is the menu, and I can see the student list. I can go up. If I want to go to attendance, I can also do the same. If you are not a teacher or if you are not a class teacher, we have 3 different types of teacher on this platform. Yes, it will allow you to add 3 different types of teacher. General teacher, those who has not been assigned to any class, any subject, is a general teacher. Then we have a class teacher. Okay, someone who responsibility is to manage the class, and also subject teacher. Okay, yes. And if you're a subject teacher, you won't be able to access the attendance page. Only the class teacher. I'm a class teacher here, that's why. So I can select the class here and I have to wait for it to load. Good. And you see, it's now with this attendance sheet, and automatically it's like all the students are present. Okay, on this date, that is 27th July. Okay, all the students are present, so you have to go through and uncheck those who are absent. So right now, if I select this one, the first person as an absent, I will see this. Okay, if I select the second one as absent again, you see it keep on recording. Okay, now the total student is 138, and now the present is 136 because 2 is absent. If I select the late, which we don't use here in Ghana, because yeah, let me continue from that. So after that, you can just go down here straight away, which means that the rest is present. Okay, and save it, and that's it. You are good to go. It's very important to mark student attendance, even though if you have been using the manual one, so you need to do it on the platform, because it's part of their promotion. It's form part of their promotion, because before a student can be promoted, that is academic performance and also attendance is part of it. Okay, yes, but as administrator, you can decide to just take out or just remove the attendance, so that it will only based on the student performance for promoting the student. Okay, good. So let's come to class score or scores. So this is the unique part of this plugin. Okay, why am I saying this? The plugins that I've seen, okay, the plugins that I have seen or I've used before, those plugins do not have class exercise, class test, project work, group work. No, you have to enter the student score at the end, whether it is exercise plus exams that you have added together. Then you have to do it somewhere or manually, then you enter it. But this one is different. You don't have to enter, you have to enter them separately. Yes, you have to enter the class score. Let's go there. Let me go take you to the screen. So I will select my class here, and I have to wait for it to load. Next time I can decide to select the subject, and then exams. Okay, good. And now I have to select the exams again. Yes, you have to wait. After selecting it, you have to wait for it to load first. So now you can see these are the components. So you see, that's why we have component score entering or grading. Good. So here, that is the CE is the class exercise, and the CT is the class test, and then the GW is the group work, and this is the project work and the exams. Okay. Let me explain this to you. All these, the four of them, come together to form the class score. So on the report, we have the class score, exam score, then we have the total. Okay, good. So if the four of them come together to form the class score, and I, administrator, have made it in such a way that the score, that's the weighing point for class exercise is 12.5, and this one is 12.5, 12.5, 12.5. So when I add all of them together, I will get 50% in the class score, and then exam score, which you enter here as percentage, will be scaled to, or will be converted to 50%. Okay, good. That's what it means. So for instance, let's say this student, I just want to change the score here. Let's say the student, he was able to get 80 or 90 out of the 100, and this one is 80 out of 100, and we have 100. Okay, and this one too is 100, and the exams, which is out of that one too, is 100. So let's say that is 80. Okay, and now we can see that the student will get 86.25 in total. Okay, good. Now I will not save this. Now let us continue. I can go here and take students reports. Okay, good. I can go here, and over here I can decide to go to reports, and I will select the class, select the exams, then I can decide to search for students and search for the score. Let's say I'll go for the students. Good. And I can see the report. This is the report. Is it not amazing? Very nice. It looks neat. We can see the promotion, the student name, everything, and it looks neat and very beautiful too. Let's go to assignment, and here you can look, you can check student, you can give assignment to a student as a teacher, or to your students. Okay, as a teacher, I can just click here, create assignment, and I can give the title of the assignment, select the assignment type, select the class, subject, that is the date, the due date, then description, instruction is the question. Okay, simple as that. And after that, I can create it. Simple as, I don't want to go through that. So this is an event. Teachers can also check the event, upcoming event, and the past event. There's a past event, and then upcoming event. There is no upcoming event, but I only have one past event. Okay, good. Let me go back here, and this is very neat. Because I'm a class teacher, I can also decide to add my signature here. I can click here and upload my signature. Okay, simple as that. Okay, good. So this is very beautiful. Now, you know something? Let me take you to student dashboard so that you also have a look at the student dashboard before we will continue with the tutorial. As I said, this is going to be a series. It's going to be a series. So this is just introduction. Our next video, we will continue from there, and I'll walk you through step by step for us to look at or create this amazing school management system. Okay, so I'll pause the video and log in as a student. Okay, so we are back to the front end again. So I'm going to log in as a student. Okay, so I will click here, log in. Okay, so let me click login. And good, I am on my dashboard. And let's say this is a demo site, and look at, you can see that we have aggregate score, and then the aggregate for a score for this student is 6. Okay, aggregate 6. That's it. And the position in class is first, and then the address score is 1.0. Attendance, yeah, I think we have not done that. Okay, so student can decide to go through the component, how all the scores that was awarded in all the subjects. Okay, so here you can see that the exercise on the science exercise, that's a 12.5, the student might to get 11.3. I hope you can see that. And that is the percentage score that was given is 90, and he was and when converted that, he was able to get 11.3, and that's it. So you can just go through that to check all the, and he can decide to check events. There's no event for them. Assignment, if there's assignment, the student will see here. The report, the student can just come here and look at the report. So you can go through that. Overall grade is B, and that's not bad at all. Total score, we have subject, position in class, that's the position in class. So here I can decide to view the report as a student, okay, because I've logged in as a student, and I'll be able to see the report as a student. Okay, good. Let me log out. You see, is it not amazing? It's beautiful, right? The report looks beautiful, right? Let's look at the report once again. You see, everything, and we have promotion status is promoted, and position, that's first, that's out of 138, and you can see the details. Everything looks beautiful. Okay, so this is the kind of website that we are going to learn how to design, and I'm going to walk you through step by step. We are not done. I have to take you to administrator dashboard, and let me take you, I will close this one. Let's go straight to, let me open the other browser, and this is admin dashboard, and this is the plugin, okay, the Reader Academy, and you can see the statistics here, and this is the plugin, okay, Reader SBA. You see, the brand name is Reader, right? Reader the guitar. You are watching Reader TV. Yes, I made this plugin. Yes, let me verify that. Let's go to plugins. Okay, and then we have the author name is Amwako NS, and that is my name. Okay, good. Let's go back to the dashboard and continue from there. Good. So here you can go to students, see the student list teachers. Here is where you can assign teachers to class, subject. This is where you can do that. Okay, we have subject teachers, and we have current assigned okay, teachers who has been assigned to a class or a subject. You see them here. Good. And let me take you to the weighing. Okay, yeah, let's go to this one. For instance, it also has automatic mobile app installation. Okay, good. Yes, if you want to install the mobile app, it's very simple. Let me show you the screen. This is my iPhone, and then that is the screen that you see there. I think you can see the app. That is the app. Okay, so it has that is the progressive web app. Let me open that, and so that we will have a look at. This is a progressive web app, so you can see the details here, the logo and everything. Okay, you can install it on your iPhone and Android. Okay, yes, good, and even on your desktop. Okay, good. Now let me take you to the component order. Let's say, let me go back. Let's go down. It's bulk SMS notification. It can send notification to all students concerning their student score, exam score, and others. Okay, yes, everything. It has a lot. You can just export and import students. Okay, so I can just come here if I want to export all students. It's an export. I can just select filter by class. So I can select, let's say, JHS Basic 7, and I can click export to export all the students. You see, it is done. Good. So it has that features too, so you can import and export students. And we have grading. Administrator can also add students, that is students components or scoring. Teachers can do that, and administrator can also do the same here. And I can click load students, and it will load all the students, and I can enter that. So let's leave here and go to assignments. Now I just want to show you the components. Okay, so score configuration. Let's go there, and I'm going to show you where to. Yes, this is where you can adjust your settings. Okay, yes, I have decided to make to make exam score 50 and the class score 250. So in all is 100. Okay, so after if I decide to change this one to 60, it will give me a sign that no, there's something wrong. If I want to make here 60, then I have to change this one to 40 before the system will accept it. Okay, and when I'm done, I can't save it right now. It won't work because the component here, the class score now is 60, but the component here is 12, 12.5, 12.5, 12.5. So I have to adjust this one too. If I decide to save it, I think I will get error. Definitely, yes. You see, I'm getting this error, and because I need to make sure I change this too. So since here is now 60, then I can decide to make here 15, 15, 15, 15. So the fourth one will be equal to 60, right? So that it will be equal to this one. So I can now click here to save it. And now you see it's working. And when I come here, I will see the 1515. You see how it works? Good. It's perfect. Good. And there's so many things. I can just look at the grading report. I can click here to just to check student report as a single student or broadsheet, or I can do bulk report download. Okay, good. So let's say I want to check one student. I can click, I can select the class, select the exam type, and then student name. Let's say I will go for the student preview, and I'll be able to see the reports. Good. And when I come here, there's the report. You see that? If I want to see the broadsheet, I can just also click preview, and I'll be able to have access to the broadsheet. Now let me click here once again and come back, and there's a broadsheet, and it has been arranged according to the student performance, their names and their position in class. And we have box student upload. So I can just select that, the class. Let me change the class, and after that it will generate all the students in that particular class. Okay, so if I want to proceed and generate and download, simple as that. I can just generate it, or I can download it from here. Simple as that. I don't want to go through that. This is amazing, right? So if you want to print the report card to the student, this is where administrator can do. This is where you can do that, so that you can get all of them in bulk, or you can just allow the student to go and log in and access their reports from their dashboard. What do you think about this plugin? If you really love this plugin, you know something, just leave comments. And this is a series, as I said, I'm going to post each day. I'll be posting one video, and I think we will cover about, not of that, about 5 videos. Yeah, and we are done. Yes, together with this will be around 6 to 7 videos. So thank you for watching. Watch out for the next video. Bye bye.